I'm Corbett Wall with DV Auction, here with a 3-minute cattle market update for Friday, February the 19th, brought to you in part by the American Simmental Association, which is the founding member of International Genetic Solutions, a partnership of 12 breed associations, which is the world's largest beef genetic evaluation pool. These Monday holiday weeks, like we had this week, are really messing up the cattle board's model, which is to kill the board on Monday, try to get some of it back through the week, and then kill it again on Friday. So with the Monday close, the board didn't seem to know what to do, and it ended up going up big and has continued to gain all through the week. Live cattle, February contract on Wednesday was up $1.15. April was up over that. Thursday up $1.05 to end the day Thursday with February at $135.15. Feeder cattle on the March contract, Wednesday was up $1.50, Thursday up another 47 cents to end the day on Thursday at $156.47. CME feeder cattle cash index is at $157.79, which gained almost $1 the last time before it come out there. Real-time index on Cattle Market Central all the way through Thursday's sales is at $157.43, and it's been running just a little bit behind the CME index, but gained 91 cents on Thursday. No fat cattle trade at all this week. I mean, just nothing hardly. Had a few deals in Nebraska addressed at 206, but which would have been steady with last week, but really just based on last week's trade, and nothing to establish any movement this week, but it looks like it's going to have to be higher. These feedlots are going to be harder to trade with now that cash is at a negative basis to what the board is, so they don't get anything to put in their pocket from their hedges. So these feedlots are going to hang pretty tight and try to get more money this week. Been warm and windy all over the country, really windy, letting you know that maybe an early spring has already made it here with these big high winds, 50, 60 mile gusts all through the central part of the Southwest and moving all the way up into the Midwest and beyond. Actual steer weights are still heavy, almost 900 pounds, come out 899 pounds on the last week from actual results. Surely to come down here as we get into some of these storm cattle that we've had the last few weeks. Your slaughter through Thursday, 408,000 this week, which is pretty meager compared to last week, which was 431,000, and last year, same week, of 418,000. Look at your cash feeder cattle markets. El Reno, Oklahoma, 7,650 head on Wednesday there. Feeder cattle steady to 4 higher. Calves steady to $3 higher. Huss, Platte Valley auction up in Kearney, Nebraska, 5,300 on Wednesday. Heavy feeder cattle, $3 to $5 higher. Calves, $4 to $6 higher, with some heifer calves as much as $8 higher. Look at Cattle Market Central, some specific quotes there. The Springfield, Missouri Livestock Marketing Center had a short load of 703-pound steers on Wednesday just after lunch there at $164.50. And look at a big calf quote out of Torrington, Wyoming on Wednesday, late in the afternoon or really early evening at 5:20 in the afternoon. 161 steer calves and one drag weighed 645 pounds at $190 1/4. That's 3 minutes. We'll talk to you next week.